Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 1 kg mixed pork, 500 g pork belly, 300 g pork ear, and 200 g pork face or jowl for texture contrast. Rinse and parboil in 2 liters of water with 1 tsp salt for 20 minutes to remove impurities. Drain and cool. While cooling, zest and juice 6 calamansi, chop 1 small red onion, crush 3 cloves garlic, measure 1/4 cup cane vinegar, and set aside 1 tsp ground pepper. If you want the traditional creamy sauce, prepare 50 g pork brain or 2 tablespoon mayonnaise as an optional. After parboiling 20 minutes, pat the pork pieces dry and finish over medium-high heat to get a smoky char. Grill or broil for about 8 to 10 minutes until edges blister and brown. Alternatively, sear on a hot cast iron pan with 1 tablespoon oil for the same time. Remove and rest for 5 minutes, then use a cleaver to roughly chop pieces into 1 cm to 2 cm chunks so the texture remains both crisp and tender. Keep juices for the sauce base. Make the dressing by whisking 1/4 cup vinegar with the juice of 6 calamansi, 1 tsp ground pepper, and 1 tsp salt until balanced. Taste for acidity. In a bowl, combine the chopped grilled pork, 1 small chopped red onion, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and if using 50 g pork brain or 2 tablespoon mayonnaise for creaminess, toss thoroughly so every piece is coated. Adjust seasoning with extra calamansi or salt. Garnish with sliced scallions or chilies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.